Hey you guys, my name is Lizbeth and I share my personal style, my love for easy beauty, and today I'm going to be sharing 4 spring cleaning organizing tips on how to organize your beauty products. You definitely don't need this many beauty products to apply my tips. You can use these tips in any place or space you store and stash your makeup, your hair care, your skincare. And I hope this video inspires and encourages you to get organized, because there is no better time than now as we practice social distancing to get organized. So let's get into it. Tip number 1, which is the most annoying and time-consuming part, is to declutter. This is super, super important. So you need to pull out all of your beauty products from underneath your cabinet, your drawers, your countertops, your vanity. I even recommend pulling from your makeup bag. Just create a big pile of all of your products so you can see everything you had. It's gonna look messy and it's gonna be overwhelming, but you need to edit and declutter. You need to first remove any expired products. That is super, super important because it can really be harmful and you don't want that irritating your skin. In order to see if it's expired or not, if you look on the back of the product or underneath the product, there should be a little container and there is a number. This one says 12M because that means it's good for 12 months. It's good for a year. You'll notice products have 2M all the way up to 24M. So a product can be good for 2 months or up to 24 months. So really be mindful of when you open up a product. You can also use a Sharpie and mark when you open it, so you can be mindful of when to toss the product. So get rid of expired product and then create a pile for products that you didn't love, that you're not using anymore, that are still good, because you could totally reach out to your family or friends and see if they're in need of any beauty products, especially right now. You can see if they're interested in any gently used products. You definitely want to look up how to properly dispose of your beauty products as well, because some products are recyclable and some aren't, like aerosol cans. You definitely don't want to just toss those into trash. So look up in your area where you can properly dispose of aerosol cans, old nail polishes, stuff like that is super important to recycle those and dispose of them properly. So once you've got rid of expired makeup, tossed old makeup, and set aside makeup that you want to give to a friend or family member, now it's time to categorize. It's super, super helpful for my 3rd tip. You want to categorize all your foundations, your concealers, your eyeshadows, hair care products, your accessories. Put them all together, and then you can edit again and see what products you're not using or that you really do want to dispose of. And then that leads me to tip number 3, time to organize and put back your products. I am so, so, so obsessed with these clear containers, which is so amazing. You can leave this on your counter, and I love this. This is actually a kitchen organizer. It's called a Lazy Susan, and I definitely recommend a label maker. So once you've categorized all your products, it makes putting all your products away super, super easy. So these are all serums, these are all eye creams, and they're all nicely categorized, and I can put them in these containers. I recommend the Lazy Susans because they spin and it makes grabbing products super accessible. I'm also really obsessed with those lipstick organizers that stack and store makeup. Put another label on there. There's also a taller version for lip glosses that I definitely recommend. It just makes looking at all your products so easy. You can put these on your countertops, but I actually store these in these clear IKEA drawers so I can see everything, and it's so, so, so nice. Another kitchen organizer I have is for utensils, but I actually use it for all my lip liners. It makes it so easy to see and stack. It's amazing. This was something that I originally used for makeup brushes, but I now have all of my shadow sticks in here, and it's so accessible. It's actually a battery organizer, but I have all of my single eyeshadows stored in there too. So you guys can totally get creative. I recommend these for drawers so you can stack them. I have one for my mascaras and another for eyeliners, and it just is so easy and accessible. So definitely recommend these. Favorite are the palette organizers that make stacking and organizing your palettes just so much easier and so nice. You can put these on your countertop. So I definitely recommend clear organizing containers because it just makes things so easy to see. They even have some for hair brushes. One of my favorites, this is actually a craft supply organizer, but I got really creative and decided to organize all my hair accessories in here. So I have all of my rhinestone clips, which, yes, I use the label maker again, creaseless clips. I have rubber bands, even little scrunchies in here. So everything is labeled. I have acrylic clips in here so you guys can see. So I love this. I was surprised that I used all the bins, but it's nice because everything is beautifully organized and I know what I have. There are so many different ways you can organize and utilize these different bins for your space. There is definitely a bin or an organizer for you. And tip number 4 is to beautify your everyday products. I think it looks so nice when your everyday products are stored in a really chic way. You can even repurpose candle jars for cotton rounds like I did. These are actually reusable cotton rounds. Some eye creams, concealer. These are my everyday products. I stored in this clear tray that I found in my house. This little tray is actually a really cute way to hold some of your scrunchies or hair accessories. So creating a really chic countertop to me just creates a really inviting space to do your makeup and get ready in the morning. All right, you guys, those are my 4 tips. Don't forget to declutter, categorize, organize your products, and create a really beautiful counter space. So I hope you like this video. If you want some more organizing tips or see how my beauty closet is fully organized, then be sure to follow me. I will let you go and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.